What is my opinion of the carnivore diet for health and weight loss? And this is one of the things I get asked on social media very frequently, so I wanted to address it in this video. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Jonathan Els. I'm a more than 14-year experienced personal trainer and nutrition coach with almost 16,000 paid professional hours under my belt. And what I do is I help adults like you get sustainable weight loss and health and fitness results. So basically, if you want to live a better life, if you want a better body, if you want better health, and you want to do it sustainably for the long run so you can live a higher quality of life and be a role model for your children or your families, well, you're in the right place because that's exactly what I do. So carnivore diet, guys. Like, by the way, hit subscribe. Hit subscribe if you're new here. Hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be making content like this all of the time. So the carnivore diet. Virtually what this is, most of you guys probably know what it is, but it's virtually when you just eat animal proteins. Basically, you have an animal-based diet, animal protein, so it's like beef and eggs and chicken and stuff like that. It's a carnivore diet. Benefits, super high in protein and virtually no processed foods, which can be a good thing, okay? So their premise is that carnivores, besides being very preachy and opinionated and eating off of cutting wooden cutting boards, which is weird because they have more bacteria and are harder to clean and are more expensive than normal plate. Anyway, that's besides the point. Besides eating off those cutting boards, they have one of their arguments is that, well, we don't eat ultra processed foods. I'm like, cool. For the most part, you guys eat a lot of butter, and butter is quite processed, but that's besides the point. What these people do is they eat a lot of animal fats. And so their argument is, well, we're not eating ultra-processed foods, we're not eating sugars, fiber isn't necessary. That's bullshit, because fiber actually, through decades and decades of human-based research, lots of meta-analysis on basically a lot of studies on multiple studies over long periods of time show that, yeah, fiber is one of the most important things for our health. They seem to discredit it. So suspiciously recently, if you guys are following the whole carnivore thing, have you seen things? But they're starting to sneak some fruit in there. Even Carnivore MD, one of the biggest snake oil salesman, BS, no claims type people on the entire internet, now has fruit in his carnivore diet and has admitted that maybe just eating meat wasn't so sustainable for the long run. After he's made multi-millions of dollars off of susceptible people that just want to be healthier and lose a little bit of weight. So yeah, so they've suspiciously added fruit back in, but fiber and nutrients aren't important, just the nutrients you get from meat. Right. Anyway, you can kind of get where I'm getting at with my opinion here. The other downside with the carnivore diets, other than the fact it's really low in fiber, is that you get a lot of saturated fat, because animal meats, especially the way they eat them, have a lot of saturated fat. And I mean, when you're literally eating blocks of butter, you should be worried about saturated fat, because saturated fat is a type of fatty acid that is connected, well, has been seen very strongly to increase our risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, all-cause mortality, premature death, basically something that no one who's healthy wants. So people who are willing to do carnivore and increase their saturated fat really high, and maybe coincidentally might notice their LDL cholesterol go really high, the bad type, by the way, it doesn't really make sense to me if you're doing this for health purposes. If you're doing unsuspectingly for weight loss, you've just been ill-advised. So tune in here. This is probably the most important thing I'm going to say in this video. You can achieve much better health results and as good or better weight loss results without doing carnivore or keto or any fad diet, for that matter. Okay? You can achieve amazing health and sustainable body fat loss or weight loss through having an overall healthy diet. A diet that's overall healthy with 80 to 90% minimally processed whole foods, things that are nutritious, things that have high fiber, low saturated fat, high protein. Okay? High protein, high fiber, low saturated fat, low added sugars. You get where I'm kind of getting at here. So my question is, why do carnivore diet and risk your health for a little bit of short-term unsustainable weight loss in most cases, when you could just eat an overall balanced diet and get the same results and better health and be more sustainable? Well, the quick answer is to that question is a lot of people don't have the patience. A lot of you don't have the patience to learn the fundamentals of nutrition and understand nutrition and do that little bit of legwork that you need in the first couple of months to get where you need to actually have an overall good diet. You just want the results now. But what you don't understand is that if you just gave yourself another 2 to 6 months of learning about nutrition, about slowly improving your overall diet, making healthy swaps, learning about portions, maybe tracking your calories and nutrients for a little while and seeing and understanding portions and what's in each food, getting to the point where you don't have to, food doesn't become a big decision every time you do it. Once you get to that point, you never have to do a carnivore. You never have to do a keto. You never have to do a Weight Watchers. You never have to do a Whole30 or any of these other diets. You don't have to ever turn to that stuff ever again. And that makes it more sustainable when in combination with other things in your lifestyle. Okay? So my opinion is that carnivore is a waste of your time. My opinion is that carnivore is a fad diet. It's just the buzziest fad diet right now. My opinion is that people that do carnivore have really strong opinions when it's working well. I call this the diet roller coaster. So when the diet's going well in that first couple weeks and they're losing weight, they think all of their problems are being solved. Carnivore solved all of my problems. They're talking high because they're getting the results, they're excited about it. But then 4 to 6 weeks later, when they fall off and they're confused and they're frustrated and they're feeling depressed or disappointed in themselves, they feel like a failure, they're gaining their weight back, they don't know what to do next because they ignored those fundamentals that everyone needs for sustainable weight loss and health. You don't hear from them. You don't hear a peep from them when they're in what I call suffer mode. So at the bottom of the roller coaster, down here, when they're in suffer mode, you're not hearing from Karen or Colin in the office how amazing keto is. They're just going to unsuspected, they're just going to show up one day and they're going to be, their weight's coming back. And you don't hear about the thing anymore because they fell off of it. I want you guys to break this. So my opinion is 80 to 90% minimally processed whole food, overall great diet. The other 10 to 20% is your freedom. It's your living your life. It's the things that you want to eat that maybe aren't as nutritious and don't have as much fiber and don't have as much protein. But guess what? They're part of your life. And you guys need that. I sure as heck have it. All of my clients who lose anywhere between 15 and 50 pounds, they all eat the same way. I instruct them in the same way, show them all these fundamentals, get them to build these skills for themselves. Okay, guys? So that's it for this one, but I'm going to drop down in the description section a direct link to apply to my one-on-one coaching program, Complete Fit Coaching. If you are interested, if you're sick of trying to bounce from diet to diet, if you tried everything, or if you feel like you've tried tons of things and you just end up just gaining the weight right back after, or if you've never lost it, hit that apply link down below and we'll discuss. We'll chat over everything. There's no. It's not like you have hit that link and you're automatically obliged. You're not obliged, nor can I guarantee you'll be a good fit either. We do have to have a adult discussion and go over everything, and I want to understand what you're really going through so I can figure out what the best next steps for you are. Also down in the description, I'm going to put a link to my brand new Insiders, no BS Insiders, members only area, which has training programs, live workshop access, playback access, educational courses, nutritional recipes, everything that you guys are going to need in a space. It's brand new. The doors just opened this week. If you guys want to get into that, it's right now on a temporary sale, holiday sale, Black Friday sale. At the time of recording this video, for less than $1 per day. Okay, so hit the link to apply for coaching or for the insiders members area down below. We'll see you guys soon. Cheers.